What's going on, Mustang lovers? I've been trying to go live on this channel from my phone for the past hour and it won't stinking work. So here we are. I'm just going to post a video. I need your help. I need some opinions. I'm trying to figure this stinking thing out, okay? I'm going to be saying stinking a lot because I'm kind of upset here. So I'm trying to start the Mustang, all right? Many of you have been watching the channel, so you're already a little familiar with the car. It has a 351 Cleveland. I'm going to go over everything that I've done to it so far, and then I'm going to try to start it a little bit just to show you what it's doing. So I'm looking for some opinions in the comment section, some things to try. Know that I'm not a mechanic. I'm just starting to learn about cars, so explain it as best you can. But I would love some help. So I've been working on starting the car for about a week now. That video is dropping as soon as absolutely possible. So you're actually getting a little bit of a sneak peek. So what we've done so far is we popped another carburetor on it because the one that was on it was froze up. We've already, of course, blocked some things off and whatnot. We were going to take gas and just squirt it in because unfortunately it leaks if we try to hook up like a pump and run gas actually through it. So we've got a different carburetor put up here. I have a brand new ignition coil. I have a brand new battery. A new starter has been installed in this. I know you can't see it, but you'll just have to believe me. I do have some new battery cables. Not a big deal because we're jumping it here with those cables. Let's see what else. We also flushed the fluid, so it's had an oil change. It's got a new filter down there. Man, I'm sure I'm missing something. Is there anything else we did to this car? I checked kind of all my wires. I checked all my grounds and everything. That all seems fine. So yeah, I've got the key in it. It is turned forward. So key is in. It's turned forward. I think that the lights will actually, they're not going to come on until I connect everything over there. But here we go. Let me show you what it does. Oh, new spark plugs. That's what I forgot. There are new spark plugs in here as well. They're Motorcraft. So what happens is if you pull the spark plugs out of this thing and I try to turn it over, it spins freely and fast. Once I put the spark plugs back in, let me show you what it does. So what I've got is a new battery. These are hooked to it. I've also got, I don't know how to explain it in car terms, but I've got this wire that runs in and connects to, I guess that'd be the negative of the ignition coil. Like I said, I'm not a car guy. I'm trying to learn. Basically there. And then what I do is take the hot here and then just jump it off of here. So here, let me just show you what it does. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you see it's just kind of, not, you guys don't need me to give you an impression, but let me hit it for you one more time. So it's like it's struggling, like just, like it doesn't have any oomph to it. So is there like some kind of problem with like compression stuff? Is it like a lifter related something? Like I said, I'm not trying to play dumb. I don't know. So I'm hoping that you guys can help me out. Let me hit it for you one more time. So yeah, I'm just taking here, and of course I know it looks crazy. It's sparking everywhere, but. So I'm looking, as I said, for opinions on what else to check on the car, just to go down a checklist. I'm going to be here most of the day today, so if you could leave comments like ASAP right now after watching this, if you have any ideas. I gave a quick rundown on what we've done. There might be something I'm forgetting, so if you comment and then I say we already did that, don't take offense to it. I'm just letting you know we already tried that. My brother probably knows more, but I'm kind of on my own at the moment. We did go through and pull the plugs, and I filled each one with, not filled, but put Marvel Mystery Oil in each one. And then we freely, when the motor would freely spin over, we spun it around to kind of hopefully lube some things up and move stuff around. I should have said that at the beginning of the video as well. But please, guys, if you could help me out in any way, I want to drop that video ASAP. I want to hear this baby run, but maybe it's not meant to be. Maybe it's not going to be able to start because there's a bigger, deeper problem. I don't know, but I'd appreciate any help, guys. Thank you so much. I might end up deleting this video after we end up getting a video ready to post for it, but I wanted to reach out to you guys because you guys are so knowledgeable and helpful on this channel. Anybody who wants to leave a degrading, mean comment, go ahead and do it. I don't care. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Trust me, I'm not new to this YouTube internet thing. So appreciate the help, guys. Peace out. I'll be sitting here by the car scrolling and reading your comments as we speak.